A Chicago lawyer accused of killing his wife by throwing her down more than 20 flights of stairs in their South Loop condominium building will remain in custody as he awaits trial on first-degree murder charges in her death. The shocking case has drawn intense attention as prosecutors unveil a troubling history of alleged domestic abuse, allegations, and arrest. Adam Beckerink, 47, a former tax attorney, was ordered to stay in jail this week by a Cook County judge who determined he poses a continued risk and should not be released before trial. Beckerink is charged with first-degree murder in connection with the October 2024 death of his estranged wife, 36-year-old Caitlin Tracy. Tracy's body was found at the bottom of a stairwell in the couple's luxury condominium building after she allegedly fell from the 24th floor. Prosecutors allege that Beckerink threw Tracy over the stairwell railing, resulting in her fatal fall. Evidence recovered at the scene included bloodstains on multiple stairwell floors and Tracy's severed foot, underscoring the devastating nature of the fall. Authorities first became suspicious when Tracy's body was discovered by residents on October 27, 2024, 2 days after Beckerink reported her missing to Chicago police. Court records later showed surveillance footage placing the couple together the day before her disappearance, contrary to Beckerink's statements to investigators. History of alleged abuse. Prosecutors say Tracy had previously reported multiple incidents of domestic violence by Beckerink to both Chicago and Michigan police. In one 2024 episode in New Buffalo, Michigan, officers responding to a 911 hang-up found Tracy screaming for help while Beckerink resisted arrest. That incident led to Beckerink serving a 93-day jail sentence after a plea deal. Tracy also told a victim advocate months before her death that Beckerink had once threatened to throw her over the stairs, a chilling statement that prosecutors have cited in court. Court documents further describe multiple attempts by Tracy to seek protection, including obtaining a protective order against Beckerink in late 2023 after repeated reports of abuse. Defense claims and controversy. Beckerink's defense attorney, Todd Pugh, has disputed the prosecution's account, arguing that the evidence linking his client to Tracy's death is insufficient. The defense has pointed to Tracy's toxicology results showing the presence of drugs and alcohol and has suggested that her injuries may have been self-inflicted or directly related to substance use. They also argued that Beckerink's recent knee surgery limited his mobility. Despite these arguments, a Cook County judge ruled Beckerink should remain incarcerated while awaiting trial. His next court appearance is scheduled for February 3, 2026. Loved ones seek justice. Tracy's family has maintained a strong desire for justice. At a recent hearing, a family spokesperson thanked Chicago police and prosecutors for their work and expressed hope that the legal process would bring some closure. The tragic case highlights both the dangers of domestic violence and the painstaking work prosecutors face in building a case that will be tested in the courtroom. Trial preparations are ongoing as the community continues to watch a story that began with a shocking death in a luxury Chicago building and has unfolded into a high-profile criminal prosecution.